In this section, we will explain Internet Protocol. We focus on the IP packet format in this section. IP is to provide a best effort, which is not guaranteed way to transport datagrams, which is called as packet, from source to destination. It is a routed protocol used by routers to make routing decisions. Internet Protocol, IP protocol, specifies two main issues: the packet format and addressing issues. We start to explain packet format now. The IP packet format is represented as a table with 32 bits for each row. We are going to explain every field in the IP packet header. The first field is version, which takes 4 bits. This field indicates the version number of IP currently used. It can be IPv4 or IPv6. The second field is called IHL, short for IP header length. It takes 4 bits as well. The value stored in the field indicates the length of IP header, with 32 bits a unit. The followed 8-bit field is the type of service. It specifies the level of importance that has been assigned by a particular up-layer protocol. This field can be used to describe precedence, reliability, or speed. After the field of type of service, there are 2 reserved bits. Then it comes the field of total length. As the name indicates, this 16-bit field specifies the total length of the packet, including the header and data, in the units of byte. The first field in the second row is called identification. It takes 16 bits. It is actually the sequence number for identifying the packet. After 1 reserved bit, the following 3 fields are related with fragmentation. DF fields means don't fragment. FM field indicates whether there is more fragment for the original packet. FM stands for more fragments. Fragment offset field specifies the offset of the fragments in the original packet. After these 3 fragment fields, here comes a field called time to life, which takes 8 bits. This field is also called as TTL. It specifies the time or hops left for a packet to be valid. When this field fits 0, the packet will be discarded by the router. The next 8-bit field is named as protocol. It tells what transport layer protocol should be used to process the data in the payload field. The commonly seen value of this field is 17 or 6. Value 17 is for UDP and value 6 is for TCP. The header checksum field follows the field of protocol. It takes 16 bits. It contains the checksum which is on the header only. It helps ensure the integrity of IP header. The 4th row and the 5th row are 2 IP addresses. They are 32-bit IPv4 address. One for the source, the other is for the destination. The source address is used for the receiver to send back packets, and the destination address is used for routers to find the receiver. IPv4 header includes various options which make the total length of IPv4 header varies. The option field can be used to configure options for security, routes, error report, and so on. The IPv4 protocol requires the length of the header should be 32 by n bits. If the options cannot fill up an entire row, the unused bit in that row should be padded. This is the end of this section. Thank you.